Yeah, so we just stopped by. One of the riders, like he wasn't with us. He had a KTM, I think 690 adventure. He had a Wallaby. The Wallaby died, and he just had a little bit of an accident, but he's good. So we just stopped to give him a bit of support. So we'll keep going. We'll keep going for now. Yeah, we just wanted to give him support, and we asked him if he needed anything. We asked him if he wanted us to call the ambulance. He said, no, just got a few scratches. The bike's got a little bit of a scratch on the exhaust side. That's about it. So, oh, 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 that's tough. Oh, okay, I better concentrate on this ride. This terrain is quite technical and challenging. Yeah, we always try to stop and help others if we can, because one day, it could happen to one of us where we need some help from someone. Yeah, so that's the thing. These kangaroos and wallabies, they usually just come out of nowhere. He goes, he just jumped in front of me. I didn't see it, and then he hit it with his front wheel, and then that caused the bike to go down. So once again, the good thing was that the rider was wearing a full protection gear, including a neck brace, and he said he was going a little bit fast, so that definitely saved his life, I think. Okay, this section is a little bit challenging. I better concentrate. Oh, a lot of rocks here. Oh, that was tough, man. That was really tough, and my ABS got turned off for some reason. Try to turn it on. Okay, I turned it back on. I think I'll put it in first gear because this section here is quite. Oh. Yeah, the rest should be easy. Those rocks are very slippery. So as soon as your front wheel hits it, it just causes the steering wheel to turn one way, like in one direction, either right or left, but never straight. Even, the gentleman that had the accident, I asked him, he said, as soon as I hit it, he goes, he had a steering damper or steering damping kit that slows down the steering movement. It's got hydraulic oil in it. So even with that, he goes, as soon as I hit it, just the steering just went like one way because he had no control, So I'm just sitting down, just taking it easy a little bit, catching my breath. Yeah, just because I wanted to show you guys the rocks and how you attack the rocks. So now I can pick up a bit of speed. I'm in second gear. Yeah, and when you stand up, you get a lot of airflow. So if if your body starts to dehydrate and you feel like you need a little bit of water or fluids, or you're losing a lot of the fluids, you're losing a lot of the fluids. Oh, these guys. Just stand up and get a lot of airflow flowing through your body. And I'm actually really happy and glad that I'm not wearing my adventure jacket today, because that would have, because the weather's warming up, that would have restricted me a lot from this airflow. I think it's about maybe 20, 25 degrees now, and it's warming up. Oh, yeah, just take it easy. Yeah, that first section was very challenging. Yeah, even these, like, you have to be careful. See how the front's just sliding as it hits the like loose rocks that are just sitting on the surface. Second gear, just floating. Pick your lane. Pick your lane. Position your body. Yeah, the rest seems easy. Never get too confident on the adventure bikes because you just don't know what's going to come across like it did before, like the Wallaby or Kangaroo. Where are we going from here? Oh. Oh. There was a car coming. Yeah, we'll just let the ute go by. Let's see who's going to be leading. Yeah. Yeah, just get a lot of just airflow. Just catch your breath. This is just a straight ride road. I was just going from there. Just having a bit of fun. Listen to that. The exhaust on that Northern 901 just sounds too good. Yeah, my body arm is covered in dust. And another tip that I can give you is just keep your distance, keep enough distance between you and the rider in front of you and the rider behind you. Because oftentimes, if the rider in front of you has to stop suddenly, that means you have to stop. And in chain reaction, the rider behind you has to stop. And if you don't allow enough space, given that it's a loose gravel and it does take a little bit more time and a little bit longer for you to stop or slow down, so you could eventually run into the rider in front of you. You could crash into him or her, and likewise the rider who's behind you. So always give enough space, and as your speed increases, I would highly recommend that you open up this distance much further. You make the distance far greater, because then it just means that it's going to take you much longer time to slow down at higher speeds. But right now, look, I'm in 6th gear, 49, 50 kilometers. I can put in 5th, just cruising, just enjoying the weather, catching my breath, you know. Dropping into 4th, there's a right turn here, shouldn't be a problem. There's a left turn here. Oh. Turning right. left. Going right. Healesville. This is Healesville Road. You turn right. No, hang on. Yeah, this is so beautiful to get some fresh air. Uh, uh, if you're turning right, you're going straight. I'm a bit confused now. Let me see. How can you beat this? Right, slowing down. What's going on? I think he was just waiting for the others to come. Did he say U-turn? I hope you're enjoying this type of content. Um, I like to share my experiences. I like to share, the things like that I've been going through. It's just fun. We looks like we're heading down from Healesville Road. It's like the mountain pass. There's a sharp 40k an hour turn. Hang on. Stop recording.